Hi there, Huskies and Bulldogs. We're going to do some games together with some of my domino toys today, okay? Now, when we have dominoes, we have dots on them. And there's some dots on one side, and there's some dots on the other side, okay? So we can do a number of games with different numbers on the dominoes. Let's start by figuring out, without counting, how many dots are on this side. There's 2 dots over here. I'm going to write a 2. 2 dots on that side. How many dots are on this side? There's 1 dot on that side, okay? I'm going to circle these. Circle the 2, circle the 1. Now sometimes what I like to do is I like to take 2 and take 1 and then put them together and see how many I have all together. Can you tell how many that is all together? If we put those together, we have 3. There are 3 dots altogether, right? And when you get to kindergarten, you will learn about something called number bonds, like that. If you have 2 and 1 and you put them together, you get 3. You have 2 and you put it together with 1, then you'll get 3. Let's try another one. I'll get a new piece of paper. Let's see. Let's try this one next. Okay? Move it up here. All right, now, can you figure out how many dots are on this side? There are 3 dots on that side. How many dots are on this side? There are 2 dots on this side. All right, I'm going to circle the 2, circle the 3. Here's what I want to do. I want to know if we have 3 and we have 2, and we put them all together, how many do we have? Count them with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 all together. If we have 3 and we have 2 and we put them together, we get 5, right? Sometimes big kids will write it this way. They'll say 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is the same as 5. It's equal to 5. Let's try another one. Let's see. All right. Now, how many is on this side? This is a tricky one. How many big dots are on this side? Count these with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 dots on that side. How many dots are on this side? Just 1 on that side. I'm going to circle the 4. I'm going to circle the 1. So this time I've got 4 on one side and I have 1 on the other side. Okay? Now I want to put them all together and see how many I have all together. Count them with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 again. If I had 4 and 1 and I put them together, I'll get 5, right? Sometimes the big kids will write it like this. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. And you put them together, you get 5. 4 and 1 together is 5. Let's try another one. All right. Let me see, which one do I want to do next? Nah, I think I'll do a different one. Ooh, this one's a tricky one. This one has some, I think this one's going to be a bigger number. All right. Can you tell how many are on this side? Maybe you can tell. I can tell that that's 4 on that side. There's 4 over there. I could double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. How many's on this side? I can definitely tell without counting. I know how many that is. That's 3. I'm going to circle the 4. Circle the 3. All right. Now I want to know if I have 4 and 3 and I put them all together, how many do I have? Count them with me. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 together, right? So if I had 4 and 3 and I put them together, I would get 7, right? Big kids might write it like this. 4 plus 3. Plus means more, or it means put together. So if we have 4 and 3 and we put them together, that's saying 4 plus 3. And then all together we get 7. All right? Let's do one more, but this time let's pretend that we don't have any dominoes, because some of you might have dominoes at home, but not everybody has dominoes at their house. So let's pretend. You can ask someone in your family, your mom or dad, someone else in your family, to draw some dots for you. Let's see. I'm going to start with this many on this side, and on this side I'm going to have this many. Okay, and maybe I'll draw a line in between. Okay, can you tell how many dots are on this side over here? There's 3 on that side. How about on this side? How many dots are over here? That's also 3. We have 3 on both sides. All right, I'm going to circle this 3, circle this 3. Okay, now I want to put the 3's together. There's 3 on this side and 3 on this side. I want to know how many do we have all together. Let's count them. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, you know what that reminds me of? That reminds me of an insect. Because an insect has 3 legs on this side and 3 legs on this side, right? And together it has 6 legs. If you have 3 and you put it together with 3, you end up with 6. Big kids might write it like this. 3 plus 3 is the same as 6. 3 plus 3 is like having 6. Yeah, good job. I hope you had fun playing this game with me. You can play this game at home. Maybe you have some dominoes, and if you don't have dominoes, that's okay. You can draw your own dots, all right? Bye, Huskies. Bye, Bulldogs.